Ever notice some random coins in your wallet and you are so happy that, yeah, I've got money? Have you ever received small amount of unsolicited crypto into your wallet? You may be a victim of dusting attack. Don't touch that coin. This video explains dust attack scam on Trustwallet and Metamask wallets, and it shows you how to avoid it. Hello crypto smart investors, welcome to yet another explosive and revealing session. Remember to smash that subscribe button right now if you have not done so. This is because we always give you crypto related value on this channel. If you have any question, drop it right away in the comment section below. Also like and share our videos. So there has been a lot of reports of people getting random tokens added to their wallets. These are what is known as dusting attack. Look at this bad guy on my screen now. So this guy was actually sent to my wallet. I never did any airdrop at all. I never interacted with any DApp at all. In fact, most times it's actually unsolicited. You don't know what you did to get it. You don't know what tasks or actions you performed to get it. You just open your wallet and boom, you just see that you have some tokens. And those tokens are actually very deceptive. You notice that it has value. Look at this guy here now, it's worth about $53,000, $53,000, right? And if you check the info, alright, for some of us that have actually not used Poocoin before, we made a video on how to use Poocoin. Check it out up there right now, because this is Poocoin interface and it gives you all the details that you need to know about any particular coin. So once you click info, you should be able to notice that it has a fake market cap, it has a total supply, and it has some liquidity. But all these things are actually exploits from scammers just to go away with your hard-earned money. And look at the chart. This is the chart on the 10 minutes time frame, and there's no transaction or any activity at all going on in the chart. So I just opened my wallet and I noticed that this guy just showing up. These are dusting attacks. So you must be wondering, what is dusting attack? A dusting attack is when a hacker or a scammer try to break into your wallet. They cannot just break into your wallet, so they send tokens just like this bad guy here to your wallet, and they pray that you interact with those tokens, you try to swap those tokens, you try to send them out and all that. What you must do not touch or move these tokens or try to swap them. If you do, you are invariably granting the attacker access to your wallet, and he might do as he's pleasing with your funds. So simply hide them from view in your wallet and forget them there. So how do you hide them from view? If it's on Trustwallet app, you can just disable the particular token so that you don't see it or you're tempted to do something else with it. If you have not watched the video on how to use the Trustwallet interface, click it up there right now. It is shown on your screen. If you're using Poocoin, what you just have to do is to navigate to the wallet section of your Poocoin app and click on it. So once I click on it, you notice that there are actually two bad guys here. So the first bad guy is this, and this is the second bad guy. So I was actually given 82,000 pieces of this dev8.io, and I was actually also given 1 million plus of this xch5.net. Okay, most times you notice that some of these dusting attack coins always have a kind of a website extension .io, .net, .crypto something, right? So but it's actually tempting, and they are giving me a false hope, telling me that portfolio is worth this amount. So that is actually very, very crazy. So what you must do, I've actually hidden tons and tons of them. If you are actually on Poocoin, what you just do is to click on this particular icon here and it hides it from view. Because if you are seeing it, you won't know what will eventually push you to try to transact or interact with it. Most times when you click it, they'll actually redirect you to another website where you're supposed to do what? Swap. If you eventually swap, you're gone, man. You're gone. So what I'll just have to do now is to hide them. Hide. So it goes off view. And I hide this guy. It goes off view. So don't at any point try to interact with them. I'm sure a lot of us have seen or are familiar with some of these other dusting attacks like Minerium, DSC, Devera.io, Eva.io. So they are actually very, very common. So you cannot sell these tokens. You cannot sell them. Do not go to any website to approve their smart contract. They will take all your coins from your wallet if you do so. Above all, try and stay safe. I love you guys. If you have gotten value from this video, go ahead to hit that subscribe button right now. Smash the subscribe button. We need you to get to our first 1,000 subscribers. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and share this video. Trade responsibly. Peace out.